What's going on, guys? E18 Pro here. Back again with another video, and today I have some new earphones for you guys. These are the Enacfire E18s Plus. So I'm just going to do a quick unboxing of this, and on the next video I'll do a more in-depth review of this. So let's get right into the unboxing. Let me get my knife. Okay, so we have a nice, very sharp kitchen knife right here. Ping, ping. Okay, so these are the Enacfire's E18s. Let me just take a turn around box. So this is a nice black box. I like it. It's good. As Flossicata would say, geekily. So there's not much information on it. It says this is Enacfire Bluetooth 5.0 wireless charging case E18 Plus. So this can charge wirelessly too. So let's get into this. There's some sharp boys. Let's go. Oh yes. Beautiful. Right, so let's get it open. Right, I like the presentation. It's nice. You see the charging case here with the AirPods, first thing, and then you have your USB stuff. So that's what you have here. So it's a micro USB, but I'm not gonna need that, so I'm just gonna put it on one side. And you have several ear tips. Wow. Oh my. Are these foam? Bro. What? Wait. Hold up. Oh, okay, so they have different types of ear tips. Some are more pointy than the others. Some are more flatter. Some are just, then you have the white ones. Nice, that's nice. Very nice. Okay, now let's see what we have here. So we have some books and stuff. Scan QR to get free masks. Also they're trying to help out in the coronavirus thing. So I'm not going to need that because I've been at home all around. Manual, but no one even reads the manual, so I'm just going to put that one side. And we have a thank you for choosing Enacfire, a guarantee card. So you have 3 months replacement or a full refund, 12 months warranty free, and yeah, that's good. And I don't know what this is, but I think it's just kind of the same. Oh, it's like a review card, so did we do good or bad? Okay, so I'm just going to put this to the side. You have the earphones here. That's them. So let's peel this off in a regular ASMR kind of style. I don't know if you could hear that, but I hope you did. So I like this. It's I won't say that's metal, but that's plastic. Apparently it wirelessly charges, so let's see. So based on this here, we have the earbuds battery with a 50 milliamp hour battery, and the charging case battery with a 500 milliamp hour battery in it. So let's get it. So oh, that's nice. Okay, so these are the earbuds. Let's take them out. And right, once you take these out, you have to do this first. You see, focus, good. Oh, my nails are so long, damn it. You see this here, if my camera would focus. You see that, you need to take that off in order for it to charge. If you don't do that, it ain't gonna charge. Oh, that's real sticky. So left to right. Bro, what? What's going on here? Yeah, left, then right, boom. And I like how it's transparent, so it just like shows this little, you know, thing there. Alright, so these are the earphones. Yeah, so in the next video, I'm gonna talk more in depth about these, and well, this is just a short unboxing of them. So well, before I go, this has Bluetooth 5.0, and apparently the overall battery is 48 hours from the case, and I think it's 8 hours from the earbuds. So that's really good. So I hope you guys like this. Please like and subscribe. On the next video, I'll talk more in depth about this after I've had a while to test them out, because I cannot just give my opinion immediately. So see you guys on the next video, and well, peace.